Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Roblox Studio and loading the place that contains the avatar you'll modify. Find the character rig in Explorer so you can attach parts directly. This prevents misplaced items later. Once done, import each hair as an accessory or confirm existing hair assets in your inventory or toolbox. Make sure names are clear and unique so you can identify them quickly. This reduces conflicts when multiple hair objects are combined and keeps attachment points consistent during the next steps. You now parent each hair item to the character model and position them precisely. Use the Move and Rotate tools to align edges, making small adjustments so they sit naturally around the scalp. Because overlaps can cause clipping, make sure attachments reference the head or custom attachment points with matching names. This ensures Roblox applies the correct welds. If needed, scale minimally for consistency. Once aligned, lock transforms or group them so you can preview how multiple hairs combine without losing placement. You finish by testing the avatar in play mode and watching for clipping or jitter from overlapping meshes. If you see issues, tweak weld offsets, adjust attachment positions, or slightly change transparency to mask small overlaps. This preserves silhouette while keeping physics stable. Make sure to save a versioned copy before final export. If things go wrong, isolate one hair at a time to identify the problematic mesh or attachment. Then correct it and retest so your combined look behaves predictably.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.